So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Yoroi Wallet, and in this video we are going to find the wallet address. Yes, if you need to deposit or receive amount in your wallets, you must find your wallet address. Okay, so how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. So please must watch this video till end. But before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here, first of all, I'm going to click on my Yoroi Wallet icon. You can see here, right top corner, just simple click on it. When I click on it, so the Yoroi Wallet is open front of me because I have installed in my browser last day, and you can see here the main wallet is open front of me. So you can see right side shown your wallet address, but how can you deposit and how to find the wallet address? If I'm going to click on this, you can see here just share only wallet address, first three digits or last three digits, but I need to get full wallet address. So what will I do? Simple is that, click cross button, and after that you can see here there is shown the wallet option, and after that you can see here transaction, send and receive button. So going to click on receive button. Let's suppose you want to deposit amount on this wallet, so you just simple click on it, and you can also send the money like Binance, QQI or HTX, any exchange. You can send money from your exchange and you can receive on this wallet address. Simple click on this box, then your wallet address will be copied. I'm going to open the notepad file. Now paste here. Before going to paste here, I save this file. Sorry, you must cross check your wallet address is correct, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, I have pasted my wallet address on this notepad file. Simple is that, I just save this file in my laptop. If I need to deposit on this my wallet, just simple open the notepad file. Don't need to open my wallet full wallet. Simple copy and send that person who want to send the money. Okay, you can also scan QR code from your mobile. That's so I have Binance account in my mobile and I need to send money, means Cardano or ADA, from my exchange to this wallet. Just open the my Binance account. After that, click on deposit option and then click on scan QR code. When I click on scan QR code, so my mobile back camera will be automatically open, and then I can scan this QR code. So this wallet will be automatically added in my Binance exchange account, and I can easily send money from that account to this account. Okay, so this time I have only one wallet address, and also I can create a multiple addresses. Yes, you can see here generate a new address. Simple click on it, generate a new wallet address. So the second wallet address is generated, and also you can see here, if I am going to check which one is my first address. So this address is my first address and second address I have generated. You can create a multiple wallet addresses. Now I have create third one, and also you can see here, if I click on this good button, or you can generate URL, it's depend on you. Suppose amount 300 ADA, and click on generate. So this URL will be generated front of you. You just simple copy URL. You can also send your amount on this URL link. Okay, so yes, I hope you properly understand how can you get your wallet address of your Yoroi wallet, and how to create a multiple wallet addresses or generated, and you can also generate your URL wallet address. And you can see here they're shown verified addresses. I have created 3 wallet addresses, and also I have generated URL, and you can see here there's note amount I just deposit on this wallet. so there is not shown any transaction here. Okay, and you can also save your QR code in your personal area. And in coming video, I give you more information about this wallet. You can see here the left side, staking available here, airdrop, swap, and also shown here portfolio, NFT, voting, many options or many tools available here on this wallet. If you have your already wallet faces, so you can easily import your old wallet on this wallet, so you can make the transactions. So as I hope you properly understand how can you generate and how to see money on your Yoroi wallet. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And if you need get more information about many cryptocurrency wallets, simple open my YouTube channel, and after that you can see here the fourth option is available here, playlist. Simple click on it, and then you can see here many playlists is available here. This time we are covering Yoroi wallet, and also you can see Kepler, Brave wallet, Core wallet, Phantom wallet, OKX web wallet, Rabi wallet, Coinbase wallet, DRC wallet, and many wallets is available here. And also you can see here if you need to use your Bitcoin wallet. So I have also upload about Bitcoin core wallet videos on this YouTube channel. I'm just going to search. Yes, you can see Litecoin wallet and also Ripple wallet. It's maybe available here, Bitcoin core wallet. Yes, you can see here. There's 12 videos available here. If you need to save your Bitcoin or safe place, and you can also download all blockchain data in your laptop. So these videos will be helpful for you. Almost 12 video I have upload. So in this video I full discuss about how to download, how to install, how to download the all blockchain data, how to find the private key, how to lock your wallet, how to receive the money, and how to send the Bitcoin from this wallet to other wallet. So if you are going to use any wallet, cryptocurrency wallets, so you must visit my YouTube channel, and after that you can watch all videos according to using your cryptocurrency wallets. So guys, I hope you get more information about in these videos in coming days, and you can also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with this video with your family and friend. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.